I'd like to show you a new resource we made in collaboration with the Department of Ag and the Farm to School program. We made a Oklahoma school garden quick start guide. A lot of times when you want to start a school garden, you get overwhelmed by all the information and it's just too much to take in. So we made like the bare necessities. It's very thin. It's got lots of pictures. It's got bulleted lists on the bare things you need to know. It's got lots of drawings. It's also got the fact sheets that we have already written that you can go to get more information if you want more than just the bulleted necessities. It's got lots of checklists, like what kind of tools you need. Here's an illustration of why a seed planted too deeply or too shallowly won't grow. And it's even got what you can grow at the first of the school year, before the first frost or after the last frost, and still harvest it before school ends. And then what to look for when you go to harvest it. So this resource is completely free. You can get an online copy at the website below. You can go, also go to that website and order a free hard copy. So hopefully this is a resource that will get more people confident to do school gardens in Oklahoma. Another resource available for those starting school or community gardens is our 3rd annual School and Community Gardening Conference, which will be held in Oklahoma City, July 24th and 25th. For the low cost of $25, you'll get a smart pot filled with plants, you'll get lunch, and you'll get instructions from a lot of different people, and we'll have a panel discussion on people who have successful school gardens and how they use them in the classroom. So I hope to see you there.
We hope you enjoyed this video as part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on the OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.